to start your engines and get ready to race. And 3, 2, 1, go! They're off to a flying start. These trucks must be late for playtime. They're already at record speed. And over the first jump, what color truck is that? Red! Which color is next? Yellow! And which color truck is next across the jump? Green! That was flipping excellent!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Whoa! He caught the wheelie!
Yes!
I just about fell off my chair! Which color truck is that? Orange!
Yahoo!
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Whoa! The boys better watch out!
Yeah!
Which color is that? Pink!
Yes! Wahoo! Woohoo! Yippee!
It's incredible! They're really fighting for the lead!
Yeah!
Which color truck is this now? Purple!
Yippee! Yahoo! Yeah!
Whoa! Flying like a jumbo jet!
Wahoo!
Which color is this speedy truck? Blue! Look at him showing off!
Yay!
They're almost at the finish line! Hold on to your hats, folks! This one's going down in the history books!
Woohoo!
As they cross the finish line, let's give these brilliant trucks a big cheer! Shout out their colors to let them know how awesome they are! Here we go! Blue!
Yippee!
Yellow! Red!
Awesome!
Purple!
Yeah!
Orange!
Yay!
Pink!
Wahoo!
Green! Massive congratulations to all our winners! And sitting pretty in first place is Blue!
Yay!
Coming up just a shade behind in second, Yellow! Our talented third place is going to Red! These wonderful trucks are also super interesting for...
Welcome all to the Color Crush Show. Come meet my friends. You'll be glad to know. Monster trucks like to learn, jump, and shout. They'll show you colors as they drive about.
Yeah!
So look around, friends, and you'll quickly see, yeah, colors are everywhere. I think you'll agree. Blue is the color of our great big sky.
Yippee!
Purple balloons for a party nearby.
Yeah!
Green is the grass.
Woohoo!
Yellow is the moon. Tomatoes are red. Pink flowers in June. Look at the orange and brown carousel. White snow falls and covers the hills.
Yeah!
Black is the night. It gets hard to see. Perfect for rest and getting some sleep. The trucks want to take a colorful spin. Their engines have started. It's time to begin. They'll crush each color, one by one. Practice makes perfect.
Yeah!
So come join the fun. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down.
Yeah!
The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes.
Yes!
The orange truck flips right onto his nose.
Oops.
Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud.
Yeah!
Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow. The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Woohoo!
The trucks love colors and performing for you.
Great job!
So they'll do it again, all the way through. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down. The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes. The orange truck flips right onto his nose. Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud. Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow. The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing. Practice makes perfect, as you will soon see. Yeah, let's watch them perform at great record speed. Blue pounds the letters, squishing each one. Purple is next and won't stop till he's done. The green truck always knows just what to do. The yellow one smashes them 2 by 2. Red truck has got her squashing just right. The orange truck pounces with all of his might. Pink mastered crushing. She's having a blast. Brown goes backwards when she goes past. White takes his turn, and there's one more to go. Black hits each letter and knocks them down low. So, let's review the colors, beginning with blue. Purple, green, yellow, red, and orange too. Now, don't forget pink, brown, white, and black. I think you have got it. It's time to relax. The monster trucks have finished their colorful show. You have learned 10 colors. Yes, 10 in a row. Practice makes perfect, as you already know. Never give up, and you'll be the star of the show.
Good evening! My name is Harry Blue, and we're revving up for another exciting show. Tonight's exhibition game is for a good cause. The ticket sales all go towards the charities that each of our players have selected. And the lucky winner gets to contribute $200,000 more to his or her charity. That's right, 200,000 of cold, hard, green cash. That's right, green, which I understand is blue and yellow combined. Let's take a look at our lineup. First up, we have Bolt.
Yeah!
It's no mystery why we call him Bolt. He's as fast as a lightning flash. Bolt is playing for his charity, the Blue Mountain Housing Project.
Yippee!
Next up, we have Ladybug. She's best known for her grace, beauty, and fearlessness. She is one fierce competitor. Ladybug is playing for her charity, the Red Hill Oilers.
Yeah!
Finally, we have Buzz. Buzz is a silly, cheerful little fellow who buzzes around with great speed and agility. Buzz is playing for his charity, the Yellow School Bus Company. First up is Bolt.
Yeah!
Like a flash of lightning, he's going to try to take out 10 targets in 10 seconds.
Woohoo! Yay!
And he did it! Does Bolt ever cease to deliver? I think not!
Yahoo!
Next up is Ladybug.
Yippee!
Ladybug is going to attempt to take out all these targets while flipping through the air.
Yay!
Ladybug took them all out. She is fierce.
Yeah!
Finally, there's Buzz. Using his startling agility, Buzz will take out targets that are scattered all throughout the course. Only this time, we decided to make the targets a little more colorful. Some are red. Some are blue. Some are yellow.
Awesome!
And he buzzes off. Look at him go! Wow! Are my eyes playing tricks on me, or are those targets changing colors? Yes, they are! The yellow paintballs are causing the blue targets to turn green! One of the secondary colors! Why do I have a sudden craving for a glass of orange juice? Maybe because Buzz's yellow paintballs are causing the red targets to turn orange. Another secondary color. Oh no! It looks like Buzz needs a little break. Who will take his place? Hey, what do you know? It looks like Ladybug is here to save the show. Now it appears that her red paintballs are turning the blue targets purple. The last of the secondary colors. Bolt's riding back onto the scene.
Yeah!
And what do you know? There is such thing as teamwork.
Woohoo!
And look at all those colors. I feel like I'm stuck in the middle of a rainbow. Now the question is, which of these fierce competitors is going to take $200,000 of cold, hard, green cash to the charity of their choice? We have Bolt,
Yeah!
Ladybug,
Yippee!
Buzz.
Yahoo!
It seems as if our trusty applause meter has determined that it's a tie. They will all split the money and take back some serious green cash to their favorite charities.
Yippee!
What an awesome show they gave us today! The Monster Truck Show for Monster Sports fans! Drive home safely, folks!
Yeah! Yahoo!
Good night!
Wasn't that fun? Yeah! Help us create more fun videos with a thumbs up and subscribe to the GiggleBellies!